That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about.
What is up, guys? It is M1955, and today we're going to be doing my first unboxing video on this channel. And you might already know what this is by the title. But, yeah, so we're going to go ahead and open this up. I have not seen what it is inside. Like, one know what it is, but I haven't seen it yet. But, yeah, so let me get my scissors, and let's go ahead and unbox it. This is more like a background video, if you're wondering. So, like, something you can just watch in the background, or just listen to, but, sorry about the noise. It's kind of, small package for what it is. Probably got folded or something, but, I'll see how to open it, I guess. Probably do it like this. Sorry if I can't get on the screen. I think I got it. I'm gonna be very, very careful of what's inside. Oh, yep. There it is. Hope you can see it right there. Different type of unboxing. Oh wow, this is very, very nice. Very nice piece. Let's say. Now I already knew that it was pretty messed up and beaten up, and because it might decrease the value or something, but so this is the size large M55. It seems really heavy. Now, I'll probably take it down from right here. So, it's pretty busted up. Shrapnel, I don't know for sure, but pretty cool. Size large, 1967 dated. Pretty hard to come across one like this, but I already knew it was pretty beat up. I think it's amazing still. It gives a lot of character. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to find some ways to get this cleaned up, get it correct and fixed, but let's go ahead and do an overview. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Gotta admit, even for the shape, it's really busted up and stuff. You can definitely, like, see all the plates. Definitely not how you should be seeing it, but this is more of a display piece. If I definitely it has all the plates and stuff inside. I will have to get this. I'll have to definitely get this back in better shape, or like get it fixed. But take a look on the back side right here. It's, looks like it was sewn back together where there were. I'm guessing it would be shrapnel pieces or something, but you can see where right there also. For $200, I think this is pretty good. Based on the condition. As far as I'm concerned, zipper's really jacked up right here. Really messed up. Obviously the plates are sticking out. I'll probably have to find a way to sew it back together, or something. I already know how to sew, but yeah. Let's go ahead and look around, I guess. But let's see. So originally it would have looked like this, and it come right down back here. So you look that long. Just straighten this out. And it's a really fragile piece. You probably already know that if you're watching this, but very, very used. Probably saw combat for sure. Got a big tear right here. As you can see right there also, but as far as I know, the only thing that's missing is this button. Everything else is still here. Now let's look at the inside. So I didn't really show any of this in the photos, but there you go. I'm definitely not going to wear this to any events. It's already pretty jacked up. And yeah, this is just falling apart basically. But $200, pretty good. Let me get that down. Pretty good. It's a nice surprise. I didn't really think it'd come in the mail today, but it's a size large and it's hard to find. Found a good deal, $200. I could have waited and found it better, but if I do find it better, I'd probably resell this. And yeah, this is really torn. Looks like shrapnel at the back and just blew off this entire front. I have no idea, but I wish the person didn't stitch it back up because that would give more character and to look as good with stitching. But yeah, so this came in today. There's just a little unboxing video of what I got and it's inside. But yep, all the police are still here. I'll definitely have to fix this or find some way to fix it, but yeah, so sorry for not repeating myself, but this is what came in today. M55 size large, very nice piece, nice and neat piece to have. But all plates are in there. Overhead view again. So that's my size large M55. Sorry about the stuff in the background. I'll just move this really quickly. So yeah, so this is what came in. Size large M55. Really cool piece to have in my collection. Also for collectors in general. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below for more videos. I hope you enjoyed this. I haven't really seen any unboxing videos besides on like a couple of channels like Collector Nick, and I'm pretty sure you guys might have seen them. But yeah, that was my video. It's my video right now. But yeah, so nothing's missing besides that button. Pretty jacked up, but good shape overall. Anyways, for 67 dated and size large. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below for more videos. And have a great day. Bye-bye.